Couture's Farmhouse Hello ChalkMade kit is an easy and beautiful complete project that is the perfect greeting to welcome friends and family into your home. And even better, the kit comes boxed with everything you need practically tied up in a bow. Your kit includes the exclusive 8.5 by 11 Hello transfer and all the elements you need, one 16-inch round rustic board, 4 paste single packets in the colors bright white and black velvet, 2 color trays, a mini squeegee, a roll of placement tape, a paintbrush, and the finishing accessories, ribbon, and greenery. Now that everything is set up, let's do this. The first thing I'm going to do is lay my placement tape down. I will be painting a 7-inch white stripe which is wide enough to chalk the hello inside. Now that that's placed, let's prep both bright white paste singles by kneading them to make sure they're well mixed and squeezing them into my color tray. This paste is looking so nice, but since I'm painting with the paste, I need to add a touch of water to thin it out. So go ahead and mix it in with your paintbrush and it's good to go. To paint this on, I'm using thin horizontal strokes and covering the wood in between the placement tape. This takes a couple of coats, so I'm using my quick dry tool between layers to speed up the process. Once you've gotten it looking beautiful, we're ready to move on. Now you could stop here and go right to the chalking, but I wanted to add some cute black stripes, so I need to wash my color tray and paintbrush really quick with soap and water. Now that those are clean, let's mask off those stripes. I'm just adding another strip of placement tape to create 3/4 inch sections. Perfect. I'm going to use only one black paste single packet for this part, so let's get that prepped and watered down. Alright, I'm just doing the same thing as before to get this painted on there, but since the black velvet is so dark, it only really needs 1 or 2 coats, and it's good to go. Now that we have that painted and dried, we're ready to peel the tape off. This is one of the best parts. It's peeling off so clean. Okay, we are officially done painting, so let's fuzz our transfer. To do this, I'm placing it sticky side down on our fuzzing cloth to pick up some lint and ease the adhesive on a new transfer. This helps the new transfer not be as sticky and avoids stretching the design or peeling up any of the paste we just painted on. For placement, I'm centering it in the middle of my white stripe and making sure it is well adhesed with no bubbles. Now, I don't want to chalk with the watered down paste because it might bleed, so I'm using my last paste single packet for this part. Once it's prepped, I'll use my mini squeegee to load up some paste and spread it across the transfer, covering all the screen area and removing any excess paste. Once that's done, let's peel the transfer off. Oh, I love the simplicity of the black and white on this project. It's looking so beautiful. The last steps are attaching my accessories. Using some wire cutters, I'm trimming off the stems of my greenery so that they don't poke out. Now, I'm using hot glue to attach these, but you can use whatever adhesive you prefer. I'm just putting a dot of glue right at the base of each stem and pressing them down. For the last step, let's tie our bow. I'm tying a double bow, but this is also up to you. Once I have this tied in how I want it, I'm going to hot glue this on as well. Now let's trim off the extra ribbon and fluff. How cute is this as a door hanger or statement piece for your home? Say hello to beautiful home decor with this simple and stunning ChalkMade kit. Happy chalking!